What's up, guys? It's Dan from Daily, here today to talk to you about the new Fabuwood Express colors. Right here, we have 6 new colors that Fabuwood is offering. These are interchangeable through all of the different cabinet styles that Fabuwood has to offer. Just some new options for you guys to take a look at. Let's go through them real quick. First up, we got Cloud White. Kind of a mix between frost and nickel. I think this will go well with pretty much anything that you want to do. After that, we got the Ocean Blue here. I think this is going to be really popular for vanities, bathrooms, accent pieces, islands, things like that. Same idea here with the Sage Green. Although there are people that are interested in doing the entire kitchen with this, I think it goes really well with matching your whites or your wood tones. So another option right there. Denim Blue. A little bit darker than what we have with the Ocean, but again, bathrooms I think are going to be super well with these, or islands. Hunter Green. This should go pretty much anywhere that you think, probably mostly kitchens, I would say, in islands or as accent pieces if you want to use it for like a beverage center. Should blend well with, I think, your whites, your blacks, and your wood tones. And then speaking of blacks, now Fabuwood offers a fully painted black. This one's called Pitch Black. This will go just about anywhere. You can't go wrong with the black. So, but what's great about these is that they are not adding any lead time onto your orders. So with these colors, they will just stick around the same sort of lead time, that 3 to 4 week range that we average with Fabuwood. And they just give you some new options. And what's great about them is if some of these hit, who knows, they might just make them into the line. Right here we got all the different hardware options that we have. You can see how they complement well with these new colors. I don't think you can really go wrong with anything. Your satin nickels obviously complement the darker tones well. And then if you want to get a little crazy with like your gold or your brass, I think they go super well with all these ones. But if any of these colors interest you, get in touch with us. Give us a call here at the office. Feel free to stop by in our showroom. Get in touch with us on social media. We want to hear from you. Come check out Fabuwood's brand new Express Colors.